This is Shivanasamudra Gaganachukki waterfall. It's in two stages. One is on the right, this is which currently you're seeing. One which is on the left. Both are very fabulous. There are two viewing points. One which is you are currently seeing. The other is on the other side of the shore. You can see that here. Both points are good. You can see the waterfalls from both sides. Currently the water is in full flow and this fall is at its best. This is Kaveri River and you can see the hydroelectric plant over there. That is the hydroelectric plant.